The third consequence of the conversion of strategy is that we try to use all arguments that we have to convert people, to transform their consumption way. And we're also using health arguments or environmental arguments. And we can notice that there are very rare flyers when we talk about speciesism and about the real victims that are the animals. Even when we talk about the animals, we nearly never talk about speciesism. And this is a problem because we make the victims, the first victims who are the animals, go into the secondary role. Like, okay, so the animals are not so important for us to interest ourselves just in their lives. We should talk about the environmental aspect or health aspect. And in the public opinion, they perceive this unconsciously as a reduction of the interest of the animals. Because if we imagine that we were in a society where there were cannibals, imagine that there were people who would eat children. Would we just go to the cannibals and say, oh, you know, it is not good to eat these children because it's bad for your health? Actually, if we did this, it would make perceive that the interests of the children would be not so important, and so that yeah, okay, we can talk about these health aspects. When we talk about the health of the cannibals, we are reducing the interests of the children and sending an unconscious message to the mind of the people that, oh, these children aren't so important. And it is exactly the same for the animals. When we are saying, yes, it's for health reasons that you should go vegan, people think, okay, so it is not so a question of animal interest, etc. The same goes with the environmental arguments. Imagine there was a genocide and people going in the streets making a demo and saying, oh, you know, you should stop this genocide because it pollutes the water ground. No one would even imagine doing this because it would implicitly send the message that the lives of the people are not so important